Go.
Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to draw one of Dr. Eggman's drones from the Sonic movie. So let's get started. To start, just draw a circle. It's okay if your circle's not good. Second time I'm going to erase this and make it a bit thinner because they're similar to eggs, like Sonic said in the movie. So just make a small sort of circle, and then you draw a smaller circle inside and an even smaller circle in it. But we're not done yet. So then you draw one of those curves there and another curve here. Then two others at the bottom. Now before I go on, I gotta color these things in. Now for the details. So for the start of the details, I'm gonna draw just a little square thingy over here. These two big lines and 6 lines next to there. And then I'm gonna draw this, a line over here for a 2-bullet pack that they hold, a 2-bullet launcher. And also I'm gonna draw 2 lines here and 2 lines here, 2 lines like that. And then for the other weaponry of the Dr. Eggman's eggs, you draw a line like this. There's a line like this. There's a line like this. And another line like that. And then for the bullets inside, I'm gonna just draw circles. You can, if you're better at drawing than me, you can draw those big missiles. I'm not good at drawing these, so. And basically that's it for drawing this. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you like this video, give a like or subscribe. Bye.